हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 10th एंड 11 अगस्त 2025 के टॉप 25 करंट अफेयर एमसीक्यूज गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Who has been awarded the first global MS Swaminathan Award for Food and Peace? And the correct answer is Professor Adenil. Second question. In which country are the 2025 World Games being held? And the correct answer is China. Third question. Who is at the top of Fortune's 2025 list of most powerful people in business? And the correct answer is Jensen Huang. Fourth question. The Shine initiative has been launched by whom? And the correct answer is Indian Council of Medical Research. Fifth question. The World Health Organization, that is WHO, has recently reclassified which virus as a carcinogenic virus? And the correct answer is hepatitis D. Sixth question. The International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples is observed every year on which day? And the correct answer is 9 August. Seventh question. In which country will the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, that is SCO, summit be held in 2025? And the correct answer is China. Eighth question. Which private company has developed India's first indigenous medium machine gun, that is MMG? And the correct answer is Lokesh Machines Limited. Ninth question. Which institute has launched India's first artificial intelligence powered learning app named Tutos? And the correct answer is IIT Palakkad. 10th question. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of Capacity Building Commission? And the correct answer is Mrs. S. Radha Chauhan. 11th question. Recently, who inaugurated the She Leads second program? And the correct answer is Annapurna Devi. 12th question. Which railway station has become the first in the Kashmir Valley to be occupied for goods transportation? And the correct answer is Anantnag Railway Station. 13th question. Which ministry recently launched the revamped Incredible India Digital Platform, that is IIDP? And the correct answer is Ministry of Tourism. 14th question. What is the total budget amount approved by the Union Cabinet for the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, that is PMKSY? And the correct answer is rupees 6,520 crore. 15th question. SIDE scheme is a subcomponent of which national mission? And the answer is National Green Hydrogen Mission. 16th question. Mount Kilimanjaro, that was recently seen in news, is located in which country? And the answer is Tanzania. 17th question. Yashoda AI Literacy Program is an initiative of which organization? And the correct answer is National Commission for Women. 18th question. Recently, Indian government has announced that the Bharat Jan AI platform will support how many languages by June 2026? And the answer is 22. 19th question. In which state or UT the Archery Association of India will launch the country's first archery league in October 2025? And the answer is Delhi. 20th question. Which anniversary of the Quit India movement was celebrated on 8th August 2025? And the answer is 83rd. 21st question. On which date Nagasaki Day is celebrated? And the answer is 9 August. 22nd question. World Tribal Day is observed every year on? And the answer is 9 August. 23rd question. Which region is primarily associated with the production of India's monofloral lavender honey? And the answer is Kashmir. 24th question. After how many years were the sacred relics of the Buddha returned to India? And the answer is 127 years. And the last 25th question. Who has assumed charge as Controller General of Defense Accounts in August 2025? And the correct answer is राजकुमार अरोड़ा। तो ये थे 10th एंड 11 अगस्त के टॉप 25 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर MCQs। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है, इन अगस्त 2025 विच कंट्री बिकेम द 107th मेंबर ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल सोलार अलायंस, दैट इज ISA। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।